Yo, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to my first video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a lot of things. We're gonna be getting gas. It's like, no, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to my video, man. I hope y'all boys are having a great day, great night, great morning. I'm out of gas, and I hope I make it to the gas station, bro, because if not, I might be cooked. But yeah, man, it's my first video. I got the GoPro and everything set up, audio. I did have it set up before, but for some odd reason, man, the audio was like really messed up, and it was honestly annoying, man. But now that the audio is good, now I can chat to the chat, man. We can chat in the chat now. Unfortunately, man, the summer is coming to an end, so it's gonna start to get cold now, man. So I'm gonna try to get as much content as I can for y'all boys. But yeah, I really hope I don't run out of gas, bro. My tank been on E for like a good week. I haven't drove this motorcycle in a minute though. Been a little week or so. I've been busy, man. I've been busy as hell. So we're on it today, man. We're really just out here cruising, having a good time. Yeah, you really got to be careful out here, bro, because you can get hit out here and they gonna keep going, bro. They don't care about you. They really and run and go about their day, and then you're gonna be cooked. So I'm always careful. Oh yeah, boys, we back on the road. Had to get some gas real quick. Finna hit this little freeway. Let's go. Oh yeah, this puppy singing today. Warmed up yet, so I'm not gonna send her too hard, man. If she was, I would have been out of here. But yeah, man, it's been a long week. It's been a long week. Oh yeah, let's see what we got up here. Brother, like no way I need gas again. Gotta go, brother. bike, man. I love it. 07 750 Gixxer, bro. Greatest bike ever, bro. Not only does it have the speed and the power, but bro, it's so like going around, bro. Like look at how much it's going around. I've driven 1000, man, and way heavy. They're fast as a dart, man, but a lot heavier. This bike, man, just oh my goodness, can you hear that? Oh my goodness, bro, it's like, it feels like a dream driving this bike, bro. Just the sound, the power, the pops, the positioning just feels so good, bro. Man, if you're thinking about getting a bike, get it, bro. You ain't gonna regret it, man. Just be safe out there, man. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know your limits, know what you can do, know what you can't do. Don't be out here trying to impress other people, man. Just keep, you know what I'm saying, be real to yourself. Be true to what you can do and what you know. Cause man, I got like 3 years of riding experience, bro, and there's still things I feel like I can't do, bro. And that's okay, you know what I mean? Like I'm not gonna be out here risking my life to, you know, make myself look good in front of others. It's just not, you know, it's not a smart thing to do. Light, look at it. It's so light, bro. I will pop Willie, man, but there's hella cops in this area, bro, and I'm not trying to get a ticket, man. My insurance is already like $800, bro, just because I have a couple of tickets under my name, man. But it is what it is. You live and you learn, man. You live and you learn. Coasting, bro, like you're just chilling. You're just out here chilling, man. Nice little Corvette. What we got here? Stop sign? Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, there's construction everywhere. There's like, it's crazy, bro. It's just like, I don't know what's wrong with the roads. I see nothing wrong with the roads, man, but I guess they do. But you know, hey man, can't complain, brother. At least we're getting some good roads made, I hope. You never know though. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, bro, this puppy. I do gotta do an oil change, so if y'all want to see that, man, leave that in the comments, bro. I'll drop a little bit on how to do an oil change. But yeah, man, owning a motorcycle is probably like the coolest thing you could ever do in your life. Not only because you look cool, but it's like, bro, like, come on. Like, come on, bro. Who doesn't have a motorcycle? But like, yeah, bro, like owning a motorcycle, man, it's like, it's dope. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's the coolest thing ever. Cause not only can you like talk trash to other people, like, yo, I'll dust you, but you can actually do it. So if you're like me, man, you like talk trash sometimes, you know, you're like, hey, I'll dust that little BMW. Hey, man, you can actually dust somebody in a BMW for a fraction of the price. But you know, I don't do it for that reason. I simply do it because I love the game, bro. I love riding. I love like everything about it, bro. I used to be a huge car guy, man, and funny story, man. I used to work with my guy, man, and he bought my dude, man. Like, this is my friend, bro. This is my guy, man. You know, we were every day. We started as co-workers, then we became brothers. He ended up getting a motorcycle, and he was like, hey, man, you gotta try this out. And I'm like, bet. See what that's about. Bro, ever since I got one, man, I just been in love with it. I love being outdoors, man. Like, when you're out here on the motorcycle, bro, it's like you're really connected to nature. And your motorcycle sounds like this. Like, what is there not to love about it, bro? Like, oh my goodness. I do gotta get an oil change, though. I usually change my oil beginning and end of the season, you know, because winter is coming, and in Ohio we do get a lot of snow sometimes, bro, and it's like not annoying, but it's annoying, man. So I'm gonna probably store it up for a good month or two. I really don't want to be out here in the ice, just because last time, bro, I tried it and I ended up eating crap. I got messed up, but should be fun. Should be fun. I mean, we got October, November, probably end of November, man. It's probably in the riding season for real, because it gets super cold and like super icy. But other than that, man, I mean, if you're thinking of buying a bike, just do it, man. You won't regret it. Just be safe, if anything, man. Don't be out there doing. That was a beautiful Mercedes. Oh my goodness. V8. He knows what he's doing.